Everyone has their own recipe for their favorite mashed potatoes, and today I'll be sharing my personal favorite. It's quick and easy, and trust me, it's delicious. First of all, I have 3 Irish potatoes here, and I like to wash my potatoes before and after peeling them. Once they are nice and peeled, I cut them up into equal sizes, which is not too small. Be careful when using your knife, please. I have a pot of boiling water to which I added salt earlier. I will add my potatoes to the pot. I will also add 2 eggs to the pot so that my potatoes and egg can boil at the same time. If you don't like eggs, you can skip this ingredient. When my potatoes are 90% done, I'll remove the eggs. I will then add a half cup of frozen mixed vegetables and let it cook until my potatoes were mashable. I added my cooked potatoes to a glass dish and it was steaming hot, so my camera got a little bit foggy. Add 50 grams of butter. I grabbed my fork. Yes, fork. Listen, whenever you watch a cooking video, you might think, oh, I don't have that equipment. So for today, my potato masher will be my fork. Take your fork and mash those potatoes. Once it's the consistency you like, you'll add your mayo, and I am using Japanese mayonnaise. Check the description for the full ingredient list. Combine your mashed potato and mayo. Please give this video a thumbs up. Add some dry parsley and your boiled egg that has been diced and combine. That is it. Quick and easy. You can taste and add salt if necessary. However, I did not add any because it was perfect. You can pair this with some rice and peas and my favorite barbecue ribs recipe. You can find the recipe in the description box. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.